with this introduction now, I would like to request our worthy principal to give his views on this because a lot of things have been changed in the planning and the way we conduct it after getting the feedback from the principal sir, Dr. Said Balsani.
Thank you, Professor Rai. So, as it seems, this is a unique initiative taken by Teacher Cell and Dr. Rai as coordinator of this program. This is need of our college. In fact, this need is there in every business or in every organization. Although they are tackling these problems with the help of different tools. So, as far as our institution is concerned, this was one of our weaknesses or limitations that workflow is not so good. Every document has to be produced again and again, and data again and again. Departments have to send the data, and every office is facing such problem. So I can say a lot of energy and time is wasted on managing various type of data. So this course, as it seems, will give us a good way to tackle this problem. Maybe any office of the department, accounts office, establishment office, as a teacher and student activities. So every type of information can be uh, assessed at any time, traceable we can say, and it can be corrected, it can be edited with a flow, a good flow at every stage. So if we learn these type of things, we will be easy. All of us will be easy and workflow will be good and we can work more. In a given time, we can give good efficiency of any work, assigned work. Maybe student, maybe non-teaching staff, maybe teacher, anyone who is involved in the system. So I hope at the end of this course, we will be confident to uh, make our mind that yes, we should use such tools. This 5-day program will give confidence to the participants, and then it's up to the users or participants that how do they exercise this facility, how do they use this tool, and with practice I hope they will develop this habit, and all of us will be comfortable, and there will be a good flow of information at every level. I wish all the best to participants. I will also try to be the participant of this course. Thank you very much.
Thank you, principal sir. And I think we will be up to your expectation and we will able to deliver whatever college wish to have, and with participants hard work they will able to find it very easy to do the things. Now there is another good thing in this course. We have a very talented team which are resources persons and a good number of advisors who advise us. At the same time, QP office also uh, almost dictated that we should get reviewers for this course, and maybe they are doing this for other courses as well. So with that, we have two reviewers for this course. Right, they are the outsiders. One is we are lucky that one reviewer is with us nowadays, with us on this inaugural function. He is Dr. Sujit Singh Sira, co-founder Sabut Foundation, and he is instructor at Wilfrid Laurier University, Canada. So he is a heavy user of that technique which I am talking about, version control system, and probably he have used it in a very complex scenario. But definitely, whatever he's having his vast experience in using that, he can give us some light, and whatever we are doing, he can review critically and give us the tips how we can use in our so-called very simple task, just optional work, not very technical. Now it is over to Dr. Sira.
Thank you, Dr. Rai. Respected Principal Sir, Dr. Hussain Rai, for inviting me to the call. Deans, HODs, my dear friends, my colleagues, I first of all congratulate Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College for bringing this FTP onto the horizon because I see Dr. Rai bringing so many new courses, new innovative initiatives. I still recall when Dr. Rai started talking about Moodle, and he actually organized one of the workshop on Moodle, and we were there to attend that, and we were also reluctant that what he is talking about, and there is no need of such things. And slowly we started using it, and we started learning it. And now another new thing that he's bringing up to us is using a flow manager, which is need of power. Because for the institutes and organizations to sustain, this is much more needed. Because if we are not following a flow of documentation, we gonna lag. This is something that we use at industry, and I think sir presented it in a very simple manner. And I would also suggest that this is not a complex thing. This is just a mindset. If we are open to learn four commands, just four commands, then we are all good. So push, pull, then we have add,
No,
then
sir,
we have commit.
we will try to do without any commands. And that, I mean, we are not doing that because he has done a lot very complex things. He will, we go to that level. So we are trying to without using any commands.
That's again a wonderful thing if we are not going to use anything.
And we can find how difficult it is for me.
Sir, appreciate that if there is no command being used, but still, like if we can learn Microsoft Word, we can easily learn this one. Like this is another. Like if we can learn, start Word, working on Word, then we can use this particular software information flow also. So I don't feel that this is going to be tough for you guys. It's only about the mindset and putting right effort to what is being asked from you. I thank Dr. Rai to make me as a reviewer of this course. We actually use it for many other projects. I have been using this since long, and at Gurman Department of Computer Science, we already had set up this software server, and I know that some students they use this particular software already. So I'm happy to hear that you are tying everyone into one thread. And thank you so much, and thank you, Dr. Syed Paul, for again, uh, allowing the departments to organize such innovative courses.